Hello, I'm Kris of Krissy's Over the Mountain Crochet. Let's learn how to put a leather stem on a pumpkin. You need a piece of leather, and this is a mock-up. I got just a tad bit of glue on that, so I can't use it, and I'm kind of bummed, but this is how it fits down into the crevice. You just make your little stem, you cut it to the portion you want, and then glue it in place, and I'll get you started. It's pretty easy, and it's a cute little treatment. All right, so you need a piece that is 2¼ inches wide by 6 inches long. There we go. Not quite 6 inches, maybe 5¾ and you measure and cut. I like to use a barf, so for little quick measurements, they're always handy. Then you need to shape this. Taper it on each end, kind of like a banana. So I fold it in half and make everything match. Now let's take a test. Let's do it for a test run. It's not going to be a good fit. We're going to have to do some more trimming. It's a little too square on the ends, so let's get that fixed. All right. Have that fixed now. And these are the creases that I want to apply the glue to for the stem to just sit down in there. So it's a real light application of glue, and just hold it in place, and there you have it. Very simple, very cute treatment. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give me a like and a subscribe. It was really good to have you on my side of the mountain. I enjoy doing new things. I used Red Heart Super Saver Ombre in hot sauce to make that big and spicy pumpkin. And you can also embellish with lace and vintage brooches. It was good to have you.